Hey girl, hey! I have a box that I'm very excited about. And it is the Desi Perkins Bomb Ass Brows collection in collaboration with Benefit Cosmetics. I'm excited for this because one, I love Desi Perkins. I don't know why, I just feel like we could be homies, we would be cool. She seems like really nice and sweet and she makes great content. Two, because I love Benefit's brow products. I already use them. I already have the Precisely My Brow Pencil and I already have the K-Brow, the pomade. That's what it's called. I already have those, but when I heard that Desi was coming out with a collab with Benefit, I was like, I gotta support. I gotta buy another brow pencil anyway because mine's running out. So that's what I did. I got the package. Alright, it came pretty quick. This is what it looks like. Desi looking all cute. Okay, girl, alright. It says Bomb Ass Brows by Desi Perkins. I haven't even opened it up yet. Let's see. On the back, it tells you everything that's in it. There's a tiny K-Brow. There's a highbrow, that's what it's called, highbrow highlighting thing. We have an angled brush with a spoolie at the end. Comes with a full-size brow powder. Comes with a full-size Precisely My Brow Pencil, which is my favorite. And it comes with a 24-hour brow setter, which I don't think I've ever tried, so I'm excited. I got my kit in medium warm, mainly because it has the shade 4 pencil. I used to use the shade 5 or 6, I think shade 6 pencil, but then when I dyed my hair brown, it was way too dark. My eyebrows were looking way too dark for my hair. So let's open her up. Let's do this. Let's see what we got. All right. So yeah, open it up. It's Desi's face again. Hey girl, hey, how you doing? All right, so it's basically the same as the box. And then you open it, you got a big ass mirror. Desi's face again. What's it say? Oh, I have like tips and tricks, but I don't feel like reading that right now. So when you open it, everything's all nice and neat. When you open it, everything is all nice and neat inside the package. You got the powder, you got the 24-hour brow setter, you got the mini K-Brow, you got the Precisely My Brow Pencil, the highbrow highlighting stick that keeps falling out the package, and you got your angled brush and your spoolie. Now, if you haven't noticed, I don't really have on any brows, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to do my brows with these products. I'm excited for this K-Brow because I currently have shade 5, which is way too dark, so this shade will probably be perfect for my dyed hair. But I'm not going to use that today. I'm going to use the Precisely My Brow Pencil and the foolproof brow powder. I've never used the powder before, so we'll see how this goes. Oh, and not to mention, all the items come in special rose gold packaging. Like, for instance, the Precisely My Brow in rose gold. The original is silver. Oh, okay. Okay. I love that. I love rose gold. I love pink. I just love it. So I appreciate you, Desi. I appreciate what you have done for us. Oh god, this mirror is so big. Okay, so first, I don't know. I've seen everyone use the powder first, but I'm scared. I've never used brow powder before. Sweep lighter shade from start of brow to arch. Sweep deeper shade from arch to tail end of brow. Oh, it has like directions on the mirror. Can't really see it because it's a mirror. Well, the powder looks like this. There's a lighter shade up front, which is like probably way too light for me, and in this shade. I actually don't know if I'll be able to use this at all. We'll see. I might, what I'm thinking is, I think I'll go in with the pencil first and then maybe fill in the sparse areas with the dark parts of the brow powder. So I think I'll go in with the Precisely My Brow pencil first. I'll go in with that first. And then I'll fill in the sparse areas. So this is double-ended. We got the pencil side. We got the spoolie side. And yeah. So I'm just gonna go right in. I'm just gonna jump right into this. Now, the key step to a good brow is a groomed brow. You want to make sure that you have it trimmed up, you got it shaped up, you got it tweezed up. You want to make sure that it's all done up before you start to fill it in, because it's really hard to fill it in when it's like all janky and just too grown out and shit. So this is like my first video where I'm actually doing my makeup in the video. So I'm gonna, you know, we're gonna hope and pray that I'm in focus. We're gonna hope and pray that you guys can see what I'm doing. We're just gonna hope and pray that this whole thing that it just do what it do. So, okay. So, I have sparse areas in the front right here, which is where I like to lightly stroke first. Fill that in, but lightly. You want the front of your brow to be like, you want it to be really light. You don't want it to be harsh, dark, rough stripes. You want it to be light and feathery so it looks natural. And then once I fill in those sparse areas, I kind of go straight to the tail. Draw that out. And then I connect the front where I filled in. I connect the middle to the front where I already filled in and connect it to the tail. So I like to start with the bottom first, and then I work my way to the top of the brow. Then I go right here where I have some more sparse areas and connect everything. Get connected for free. Anyhow, give myself a nice little shape at the top. My tail is where I'm really lacking. And then you always want to brush that through. Make sure the product gets through all the hairs. I don't know why I have like bumps right here at the top. I'm like breaking out a little bit. I don't know what happened. Like, wow, I'm like pretty happy with that as is. Like, I don't really need to do nothing else. That's a bomb ass brow already. And I ain't even done much. Okay. Alright. One thing you don't want to do. You don't want to just draw a block at the beginning of your brow. You want it to be light and feathery so it'll look natural. When you just have a just harsh block at the front, it's not, no. Don't do it. Alright, okay. Alright, okay. I think that's good for that brow. Now, to the next brow. Now this is my least favorite brow. This brow does not cooperate. It does not, it doesn't want to do what it does. It don't want to see me prosper. It don't want to see me have a good day. It just wants to act a fool. I gotta put in work for this brow. So that's what we gonna do. We gonna put in work. So again, filling in the sparse areas in the front, but ever so lightly, because you don't want it to be dark or harsh. We want a natural brow. And I'm also kind of drawing the way that the hairs go. So on this eyebrow, my hairs go up. So that's how I'm flicking the pencil, going in an upward motion. And what I like to do in areas where I may have made my eyebrow too dark or just messed up a little bit, take my handy dandy Q-tip and I just lightly brush away some color. I'll even go as far to like try to fix up the shape a little bit, you know, where I may have went outside the lines. I don't know why I have so much trouble with this brow, but it just does not want to cooperate. Alright, that's as good as it's gonna get. Alright, now I'm gonna take this, spoolie and angle brush. This is heavy duty. This is like heavy duty metal. Alright, okay. Oh, this brow looks so much better. Okay, I'm gonna try the powder now. I'm scared. I guess I'm gonna just try using the dark powder and just add some more color to some areas that are sparse. I'm just gonna bring my mirror a little bit more forward. Sorry if it's in the way. Okay. When I get most of the powder off, I like to go back to the front and just kind of flick up with the remaining powder so that I get a light, just, you know, a light amount of powder to use to lightly fill in the front and make it feathery. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with this brow already. I barely even used any of the things, but we're gonna keep going. Next brow. Going back in with some more of the dark powder. Gonna, ooh, can't see. Taking the angled end of the dual-sided brush, filling in some sparse areas where there aren't a lot of hairs. You know, where it obviously needs some color. Need to get that connected. Alright, and then going in the front, flicking it up, getting that color in, but also making sure that it is not harsh. Cool. Alright, okay. Alright, okay. Just gonna, you know, touch up a couple areas, like right here. Make this brow a little bit longer, like the tail, to match the other one, because the other one's kind of long. All right. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Now I'm gonna touch up. I don't always touch up with concealer, but today I'm just gonna touch up with a little concealer. Make it sharp. Get that tail snatched. I'm using a little bit of my Tarte Shape Tape, and I literally just put the tiniest dot on the back of my hand because I don't like to use a lot of concealer when I touch up my brows. And when I do touch up the brows with concealer, I usually really only do the tail because I don't like for my brow to look too done. I like it to look really natural. So that's what we gonna do. We gonna give ourselves a natural brow. A natural brow. We gonna make it look natural. Oh, and this brush is just some brush I got from Walgreens. Nothing special. No M355. No, nothing. I could fall into the sky. Do you think time would pass us by? 'Cause you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you tonight. I'm gonna put a little bit at the front of this brow because my left brow just always gives me issues. blend that in. Alright, I go back in with a spoolie and make sure those lines aren't too harsh, because again, we like a natural looking brown in this piece. Now we're gonna do the same. We're gonna fix up that tail. And you know, make sure those lines are not harsh. Alright, I'm gonna try a little bit of the highbrow highlighter, the highbrow highlighting pencil. I don't really know how I feel about this because it's pretty light. It's like this really light white looking color. Oh yeah, I don't know if I can work with that. We're gonna try. I'm gonna just go back in with this brush I did for my concealer. Wipe that off a little bit. Dip it into the highbrow. And we're gonna try to highlight the brow bone with this really bright color. Wish me luck. I really didn't do much. Oh, too much. Too much. Too much. I don't particularly like this product that much. It's just too light for me, you know. If it wasn't so light, then maybe I could work with it. I'd rather just put like an actual highlighter underneath my brows. Okay, so I'm done. I think I got a pretty good brow. The final step is the 24-hour brow setter gel. It's the last step. This is gonna hold. Ooh. It like I've never seen a gel look like that. It came out like sticky. Okay, well that's different. So this is it's gross. This is gonna keep the hairs in place, you know, make them stay snatched. This brush is kind of weird though, because it's like flat. I don't know, it looks like a caterpillar. I don't know. Anywho, let's go right in. Let's do the thing. Let's, you know, let's get it popping. It smells weird too. It smells like, I don't know, it smells weird. Alright you guys, that is it for my brow tutorial using Desi Perkins Bomb Ass Brow Collection. Hopefully you agree that my brows came out pretty good. I think I did a pretty good job if I do say so myself. Look in the viewfinder. Okay. Y'all need close-ups? You wanna get into this? You wanna... Oh yeah. Alright, well that's it for this video. Thank you guys again for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. I mean, you're already here. You might as well subscribe. I mean, help me out. Alright, that's it. Thanks. Bye.